Hello today. So it's your girl Linda, a moment with Linda. And what we discuss on this channel is anything from personal finance, lifestyle, and that also includes the Ozempic, and that's the topic we're going to be discussing today. Ozempic is a medication. There's two type of prescriptions of Ozempic. One is more of a lower dosage for diabetic patients, whereas the other one is a higher dosage for weight loss, and that's what it mainly gears. You see crazy weight loss on both of them actually, but the other one is a higher dosage, so therefore you're going to see better results. And I'm recently was diagnosed with pre-type diabetes. My my blood sugar was high, my A1C, also checking my blood sugars, it was high. So the option that my doctor gave me was Ozempic. I know there's many of them out there. If you're on Wegovy, if you're on a weight loss journey, please do join in, because this channel is about weight loss, because that's part of the diabetic plan. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started. Today is my weekly injection, and I know I have another video where I did an injection in the back of my arm. This one I'm going to do in my stomach area. Now, it is highly suggested each time that you do an injection for Ozempic to rotate the locations. Now, I've had some of my subscribers tell me that basically the reason why they tell you to change it around, and even if you do it in a thigh more, that you'll have less of side effects. So that's probably why Ozempic said move it around, so that that can help with your side effects, like if you're feeling a lot of nausea or something like that. Like my last video, the only time I really feel nausea is when I overeat or eat something that's real bad for me, like greasy foods. It tells you do not eat greasy foods. If you don't listen like I did, and I think I overate the chicken as well, but I went and got some Popeyes fried chicken. I haven't had it for months, and I wanted some, and I paid for it royally. I was over there. I actually ended up coming back up. So with that being said, I have had very few side effects in the months that I've been taking it. So I'm very lucky and thankful that I really don't. As long as I'm eating a very light diet, I don't tend to have that, which is also good for weight loss. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start my injection. You keep your stuff in the refrigerator, you're supposed to. And this is a brand new dosage. But this is how it comes. It comes like this. And you can write your information there. I don't really keep up track with mine. As I have stated before, I'm subscribed to an Ozempic. They send me text message asking me my weight weekly. I have to weigh in for my diabetes coach. So I get a lot of reminders, so I never ever forgot my medication. Now, if you're not in some of those programs, then you may have to do something to remind you, put a reminder on your computer or something to that nature. But I get a lot of text messages, emails from either my group, my coach, or I get also emails from Ozempic itself. So this is how it looks. This is the pen, and as you can see, let me do it like this. As you can see, that's the medicine. And these are the needles. One of the biggest things that I wanted to know about Ozempic that was going to be a deal breaker, but you end up doing what you have to do. I say it would have been a deal breaker, but if I can't get my blood sugars down and this is the only thing that can help me, what ended up happening. But this needle is very small, as you can see. I'm getting ready to show you the needle. Now you either do this after you take a shower, which I just did. You just screw it on there. Now it's a little bit different. Each one of them are different. Wegovy is totally different. This is the needle. Now I take 0.50, so a half a milligram. So you just dial it to the amount that you take. You can hear it. Once it clicks, that means all the medicine's out. And that's it, guys, until next week. So this is my weekly injection that I take of Ozempic. As you just seen, very effortless. It's not like it's a huge needle or anything. You barely feel it. I do recommend, if your doctor is telling you and you are like me, you were pre-diabetic or diabetic and they're recommending this for you, then I would recommend taking it. I think one thing about me is the way it was presented, and the doctor showing me where my numbers were consistently. It was kind of like, I don't have a choice. So I just dove into it. I didn't do hardly any research other than what my doctor was telling me about it. Now, after I started taking it, of course, I started doing a lot of research on it. And it was everything that she basically told me. That, you know, it's a more newer medication. It's great for weight loss. It's great, actually invented for diabetes. But then they start seeing such a significant weight loss, they started making it for weight loss as well. So it's, you know, one of those miracles that they came across. It is using something that's already naturally in your body, so it's not like you're really putting foreign something that your body has no clue of. It's using something that your body already knows about and knows how to treat it. And what it does is it just slows down your digestive system. This is one of the main reasons why you can't overeat, because if you do, you're gonna get, or at least for me, you can get very ill and be sick almost all day, and end result is bringing up on the next video. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you got information from this channel, please give the video a very big thumbs up. Also, if you want to subscribe or you just want to put something in the comments and let me know how you think. Are you taking Ozempic? Are you taking Wegovy? Are you taking Trulicity? Which one are you taking? Because we're all on the same journey together. Getting your diabetes down if you have diabetes, and also getting that weight off, girl. We are, and men, getting that weight off is what we're trying to do, because automatically it has been directed. If you're eating good and you have diabetes and you're eating healthy, you are overweight and you bring your weight down, that can correct your diabetes. So this is why I've been making a lot more videos, to get the information out here that there's new medication that can assist you with it. Because up until now, I was not able to lose no more than 5 pounds on my own. But now I got this, or at least I feel like I do. So I just want to give this can save someone's life. pass it on to your friends, family, anyone you know that has diabetes. Pass it on to them so that they can find out the new information. Always, always talk to your doctor about this. You can't get this medication unless you do go through a doctor, but please make sure it's the best option for you. I know it was the best option for Linda, but is it the best option for you? So that's what you need to be discussing with your doctor, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.